In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add custom fields in Wrike. Whether you're looking to better organize your projects or simply tailor the app to fit your team's specific needs, knowing how to add custom fields can be incredibly helpful. Let's dive in, and I'll walk you through the process step by step. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser. It could be Chrome, Firefox, Edge, or any other browser of your choice. Once it's open, go ahead and type Wrike into the search bar. This will bring you to the Wrike homepage where you can log in, or if you're new to Wrike, try it for free. After logging in, navigate to the folder, project, or space where you'd like to add the custom field. This is an important step because the fields you create will be specific to the chosen area. Having easy access to all the necessary tasks within one view will save you time and effort down the line. It's crucial that you ensure you're in the table view while doing this. The table view simplifies column management, making it easier to see how everything is structured and provides a clear overview of where your custom field will be added. Next, look for the plus icon located in the header row of your table, or you might see a Fields option available. Clicking this icon or option will open up the menu you need to proceed. From this drop-down menu, you will want to select Custom Field. Here's where you have the option to either add a new custom field or bring in an existing one. In the pop-up window that appears, this is where you'll specify your field's properties. Start by naming your custom field, something relevant to what you'll use it for, so it's easily recognizable. You'll also need to choose the type of field you want it to be, whether that's text, number, or a drop-down menu. Each type serves a different purpose, so pick the one that aligns best with the information you'll be inputting. Once you've detailed all its properties and you're satisfied with the configuration, it's time to finalize. This is the last step. Click on the Create button, and just like that, you've added a custom field to your project in Wrike. In a few short steps, you've tailored your Wrike workspace to better suit your specific needs. This simple process of adding custom fields can go a long way in enhancing your project management capabilities within Wrike. Thanks for joining me, and I hope you find this tip as useful as I do. Happy organizing! Happy!